Alright, so we're here at Paradiso Scooters, feel me? Where we meet up always, first spot. Check them out. We got the bikes out. We're taking pictures. Dímelo.
Dímelo.
¿Cómo quedó fresh esa foto?
Quedó nuevo.
Ah,
Para coger otra vez.
¿verdad? Hoy nos vamos a curar.
Hoy sí que nos curamos.
Así es, that's how we do it. There goes my bike. There goes the VP. Juan, what you up to, bro?
Man, ain't shit. I just was doing some tuning through CDI and racing CDI, and now I'm hoping my bike still got battery power, so I can swag out tonight.
Alright. What we doing?
Yeah, do some body on it too.
Yeah, there we go, man.
But you know,
nice.
She don't look like a chopper, you know, like she's stripped anymore.
Right.
Stripped anymore. So
Right.
we're building.
Okay.
Oh, and then safety meetings, of course.
Oh shit, we got safety meeting going on?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I guess we could start that. And check this one out. Nice little yellow one. And got the squad out here. Got a couple grams. Got the gram out there. We got that. His and hers right there. And then these other guys, we got safety meeting going on over here. Dímelo, mi gente. We're gonna be chilling today, man. A vacilarlo, ¿verdad?
Eso es para darle por ahí para abajo y para vacilar.
Yeah, man, it's all about fun. You know, it's all right, Juan? It's all about fun, bro.
That's right.
Get on it, chill here as a group, and you know, we just have some fun y divertirnos, sinceramente, mano. Eso es así mismo. Sí, este es para jugar, para correr, para vacilar, brillar,
Para pasarla bien.
Yeah, man, you're having a good time with your boys. This is you can't get better than this Thursday night bike night, you know, chilling with the guys. You might get whistle now because of the screw. We're gonna be recording each other. Hold on.
Yeah. Yo, what's going on, guys? Hell yeah. It's the fam.
Hell yeah. Oh, look at Mike. Get out Mike.
Ah, no paparai, no paparai.
You don't want no picture. You don't.
Kingpin spoken.
Here comes Joe around the corner.
Yo. What up, gang. Hell yeah. Gangsters. Yo. What up, guys? Orlando Scooters, what up, guys? Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. What up, da.
Here come Pamo.
Huh?
Here come Pamo.
Oh, it's cool.
Alright, look at that. We got Juan right here. Look who showed up. We got Andrew. What is up, dog? Ah, my nigga. Mike, dímelo. Nah. Ando, dímelo. Hey, Haley, what's up? What it do?
Andrew, where's your ride?
Yo, so we out here. We out here chilling. Dímelo, Chino. Ya, está grabando. Hoy se cura. Chacho. Ah, no, me va a guayar. Tú me vas a guayar. Part of bike lane right there, bro. There's bikes everywhere. Dude, this place is packed. This is fucking packed, man. And we're just out here. We're just fucking chilling. Look, we got Haley right here. We got Mike. We got Juan. We got Endo, and we got Joe. We got the pack going on right now. Yup. We got the squad right now. Haley, what's up? What we doing? Is that I'm like, oh snap, is that another one? I was like, damn, oh shit, there goes a slingshot over there. We're just out here chilling, man. Food and all that shit. I can't with you right now. Oh shit. We're just having a good time. Oh shit, wow man. Bike night is crazy right now. This is pretty much packed. And we're at the final stop, which is the food truck. And this place, there's a lot of slingshots. There's everything right here, man. This is packed. Look at the bikes, how they coming in. They're coming in by the dozen.